My dog is in his own habitat. Jack. Hey. Hey. Buddy. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? He's just like laying out. So guys, I came here to show you how the future is gonna be, okay? Not like that. You want the light on or off? I'm gonna say off because I want it off. Okay. Guys, got a witness. Me and my dog having fun. Like we normally do, of course. Sounds cool. So weird. Some deeds. Some deeds. Destroying my house. So. What are you doing? Say hello to the camera. Hello. What are you? Hey, come here. You wanna go? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Jack, where's your ball? Let's go get it. Go get your ball. Let's go. Come on. Go, Jaggers. Where is your ball? Come on, let's go. Where is it? Get it. Get your ball. Get your ball. Oh my gosh. You really lost your ball. La da da. La da da. This is actually what I do when I'm alone because I'm alone right now. So I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. Whee! Jaggers, I found a ball. I'll just say it already had a hole in it. Crap anyway. You got the ball. Sit. Sit. What do you say? Say please. What do you say? What do you say, Jack? What do you say? Say please. Louder. 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 Roar. Louder. Sit please. Good boy. Wait. No. Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. Ah! Jack, we might want to go outside for this, right? Shouldn't tear up a house, right? Yeah, good idea. So you guys, I'm going to pause this video. Be right back. Okay, guys. Get it. Let's go. Bring it. Hang on. Don't see a cat out there. Yeah, my cat does not like Jack. Probably gonna be about 6-minute video. Other one's still uploading. It's probably gonna be done from this video. It's gonna be done when this video uploads. Yeah, when this. God, so many things to do. Ow. Okay. Now, Jack, we can go have fun with the ball. Sorry about the sun, by the way. Come on. I'm not sure if this is a smart idea. You didn't bring the ball. Get the ball. What is wrong with you? God, dude. Is he really that dumb? Get the ball. Let's go. Get it. Get it. Get the ball. Come on. Bring it. Bring it. Let's go. Come on. And by the way, guys, I don't keep him on a leash all the time, like some people do. Oh my gosh. Go back, go. Now I'm gonna get the ball for you, okay? Okay? I'm gonna throw it for you, okay? Okay? Woo! Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. If you guys have a dog, you should know how fun it is to play with him on him, like, you know, play with him. With the ball and or like tug of war or something, it's so much fun. Like go down to the water and throw a stick for him in the water. So fun. It's one of the reasons. You know, the most exciting thing when the first time I ever got a dog, I was like, oh my gosh, I get to hold a dog on a leash, because like my cousin had a dog, and I was like, can I hold you? Can I walk your dog? Can I walk your dog? And she's like, no. I'm like, yeah. And so that's not the reason why I got a dog. It's because it made me more responsible, and I'm not even lying about this. It made me more responsible. Because, you know, I care about him a lot. Like, I would die for him. And I know he would do the same for me. And, like, this is serious talk. I'm not, like, trying to make a joke out of this. I'm actually trying to be serious. Like, he follows me around everywhere. Well, he's not really with me, because he's always with my mom. But when I have the time to spend time with him, I do. I really do. That's why I only made one video yesterday, is because I was spending a lot of time with him and I didn't get to for a little while. And if you guys have a dog, let me know what your dog's name is in the comments below. Yeah, I don't know how to do a link or anything. Oh, that's what description means, huh? When I name it, I just say, let's say Black Ops is here. I say down, it says description. Then I say Black Ops is here. So on this video, I'm gonna say, for the description, I'm gonna let you know my friend's my friend's channel. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this little video here. Just kind of be stupid, you know. That's what I like to be, you know. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. Leave a like below if you want more videos like this. And well, I'm always gonna do more videos like this. Leave a comment if you like that Rainbow Six Siege. Leave a like on that Rainbow Six Siege. Leave a like on really anything. I don't even care. The only likes that I have on my videos is my likes, but you know, I don't care. I really don't. And the thing that I said, let's hit 2 views, I'm like, how do you know that until you watch it? So yeah, I'm still a noob at this. This is my second video up today. I'm gonna be doing one more. There's not gonna be any limits in my videos, cause I just can't do like 3 most of the time unless I just am chilling around, not busy. And sometimes I forget my phone when I go down the town, and so So yeah, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Leave a like or comment. What should I do next? Description will be what my friend's channel is. And peace. See you guys later.